I visited Santa's underground Christmas cave in the Netherlands. Watch till the end of the video for more tips. Hey, I'm Tread. Christmas is here, and today I'm taking you on a magical journey to one of the most unique holiday destinations in Europe, the underground Christmas cave in Valkenburg, Netherlands. If you love Christmas markets and you want to experience something completely different, this is the place to be. Stick around for tips, tricks and all festive details to make your trip unforgettable. Valkenburg is a small town in the southern Netherlands, and every year it transforms into a Christmas wonderland. What makes it extra special is its famous underground Christmas markets, located in ancient limestone caves. There are 3 caves to visit: the Velvet Cave, the Municipal Cave and another that's called Mergelrich. All of them are packed with unique Christmas stalls, festive lights and even some historical surprises. But I advise you to go only into one, because they don't differ too much. So we headed into the Gemeente Road. The Municipal Cave is big and a bit more lively. Here you'll find even more Christmas stalls, an incredible variety of food options and spectacular light displays that make the entire place glow. The cave is also home to Santa's grotto, where you can take photos with Santa and soak into the festive spirit. They say it's Santa's private cave. The entry costs 10 euros for adults and 7.50 for children. Tickets for the caves can sell out quickly during the weekends, so I recommend booking online ahead of time or in the weekdays. But that's not all Valkenburg has to offer. There's also the Christmas parade that takes place twice a week in the town center. It's filled with floats, performers and festive music, perfect for getting into the holiday spirit. And of course you cannot avoid the mulled wine on a Christmas market for the perfect winter day. Here are a few tips to make your trip as smooth as possible. Getting there. Valkenburg is a 2-hour drive from Amsterdam or Brussels, or a 1-hour drive from Cologne. You can also take the train to Valkenburg station, which is just a short walk from the caves. Parking. If you're driving, use the designated parking areas outside the town. The main streets can get super busy during the holiday seasons. Dress warmly. The caves are cool but not freezing, so layers are key. Also, wear comfy shoes. The cave floors can be uneven. Cash or card. Most stalls accept cards, but it's always handy to have some euros for smaller purchases. My favorite part of the trip was wandering through the festive decorations of the city and the caves. I instantly felt Santa closer, and of course I couldn't resist trying mulled wine. It was absolutely delicious. It's such a unique experience to shop and explore in an underground setting. It really feels like you're stepping into a Christmas fairy tale. So that's my trip to the underground Christmas caves in Valkenburg. If you're looking for a magical and unique way to celebrate the holiday season, I can't recommend this enough. Have you ever visited a Christmas market like this? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next adventure. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Merry Christmas everyone!